I'm just going to do a little example of using a standard algorithm with parallel arrays. So I'm still working on this Olympians thing, and I am now going to add in a procedure. What we'll do is we'll do something utterly pointless. Olympians beginning with M. So I've just chosen this because I happen to notice that 2 of them have a first name beginning with M. So what I'm going to do is just display the sports of the Olympians whose name begin with M. So they are stored in different lists. We've got an array that's sports and arrays that first names. So we're going to have to check, check one list, but use it to display stuff from the other. So I'm going to do this sort of based on a linear search, I guess. It is going to need, so which arrays will it need? It's going to need a list of 4 names, and it's going to need a list of the sports. Okay. And then I'm just going to do sort of, as I say, based on a linear search. We'll just do a real basic one as well for I in. So we can't do this for this sort of thing. We can't do like for I in 4 name, because then that'll just go through the 4 names. But then we could probably work it that way, but it's easier, I think, if we do that. Now, by the way, they're parallel arrays. They should be the same length, so we could just as easily do length of sport here. Okay, it would be the same number of times that it's repeating. And then we're going to do if. Oh god, I can't even remember how to do this. So we want a forename. So the current forename we're looking at. And then we want to do. Oh god, is that right? I should have checked it before I did this. If that equals. I'll just do a capital M. Okay. That's the first character, I think. We'll soon find out. And if it begins with a capital M, then what I'm going to do is print the sport that's at that position. Okay, that's it. So it's just the same as writing any other algorithms, but now, as long as we've got I keeping track of the index number that we're on, then we can use it to refer to that index in any of the arrays that we're working with, if that makes a bit of sense. So I'm going to call it down here, and we'll see if it actually works. What is it called? Olympians beginning with M. I'm good at these names. And then we're passing in forename. Better make sure you pass them in the right order. Have a think about what would happen if you passed in sport and then forename there. And remember, again, these don't need to match up here. What I've called them here is forename and sport. We could just as easily as call these, first name and discipline. These formal parameters here, as long as I refer to it first name throughout and discipline throughout, it's fine. It'll match up with forename and sport passed in. Right, let's see if this works. I have a horrible feeling I can't remember the string splitting stuff. Oh no, nailed it. Look at that. Gymnastics, athletics, gymnastics and athletics. That was what I was expecting. So all there is to it really is just you loop through the indexes, but just to prove it, I could just as easily do sport here. Doesn't matter, even though I'm then checking forename. This is just giving us the number of times that we need to loop. So sport would work just the same. Still get the same results there. And I just need to loop through the indexes, and then I can use the index to refer to any of the arrays and do whatever I want with them. Okay. Hope that helps a little bit. See you later.